Hey guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what you guys can wear right now if you are over wearing the same pajamas or sweatpants. I have nothing personally against sweatpants. I love them. You guys know I like wear sweatsuits all the time. I've been working from home for almost 3 years, so sweatpants are definitely a go-to for me. There are definitely still days where I wear my pajamas like all day and my outfit doesn't look its best, and I just want to preface this video by saying I hope you guys are all safe and well right now, and that's really the important thing, obviously, is looking after you and your family. But I also want to show you guys some inspo on what to wear if you have to work from home and be on conference, video call, or if you're just over your sweats and you want to change it up a little bit, you want to feel a little bit more like your regular routine. I also want to just really stress the idea that I did not buy anything new for this video, and I do not want to pressure you to buy anything new as well. Like, as always, everything is going to be linked in the description box below, because I know I'm always curious about where certain things are from if I love a piece especially. I want to put together outfits that a lot of people would have already in their closet and may have not necessarily thought of during this time. So yeah, I just want to like completely preface this video by not putting that like productivity pressure on you guys. But if you guys are looking for some inspo on how to look cute right now, or if you're trying to capture Instagram content and you're a blogger or something like that, I hope that this is helpful for you. So with that being said, let's move on to the outfits. One thing I always start with if I feel like wearing a bra that day is a comfy tank bra, and this is definitely one of the most comfortable bras I have. I literally want to switch all my bras into this bra. That's how much I love it. This is the Everlane tank bra, and it's basically your basic like cotton sports bra, but I just find it so comfortable. Like, I would even wear it to sleep. It's that comfy. It's really supportive for me, and it's definitely something I would wear under a lot of these outfits. So one thing that makes me feel extremely put together is my everyday jewelry. I have an entire video up on my Instagram showing you guys my everyday jewelry. It's something that I like to wear to make myself feel a little bit more put together. If you guys want details on everything, I'm gonna have things linked below and there, but even just putting on like your favorite pair of earrings, your favorite ring, your favorite necklace, I just feel like, A, it makes your outfit look so cute, and number two, it just gives me this sense of like routine and kind of like I have my life together. So yeah. I would like to call this like my easy cool girl, like LA, just came home from the beach, but not actually because we're still home right now type of look. And I love these neon shorts I have from Target. A pop of color just makes me feel a lot better and just like makes me feel positive for the day. I paired it with this large graphic tee. It's just like an easy outfit for when you don't want to reach for sweatpants but still want to be comfortable, and it looks super cute, especially for mirror pics on Instagram. Weekend vibes. This is probably the most intense and like the least comfortable outfit that I have of the bunch, and this is mainly because we are not wearing denim per se, but we are wearing cargo canvas. And the reason why I chose cargo over denim for this look was mainly just because I personally find the fits just like a little bit more slouchy, a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more breathable. And I was very lucky that I have not worn my Everlane loafers outside yet, so I think like a leather slip-on is just so cute right now for any Zoom meetings you may have, but at the same time it's ultra comfortable. I'm just wearing this really casual ribbed tank top from Aritzia, their classic tie cardigan, which I think is like super cute as well. Cargos are also from Everlane. I've thrifted tons of pairs before. You can get them super inexpensive off a lot of websites, but this look would also look really, really great with a pair of just really loose, comfy denim, and I think you'd look just as put together. This is another look that is a really comfy and creative way to look put together during like a crazy time, or if you're just working from home, or if, you know, you're just having a lazy day but still have to go out later. I say find your comfiest sundress, slip, piece of lingerie. It's just like such a comfy way to feel like fancy around the house, if I may say. I just love a lot of my slip dresses. I thrifted a ton last summer, and this one actually is from Topshop, and I actually had it shortened, but you can layer it on top with like just a really comfy cropped sweater, and I think it looks so cute. I literally feel like I'm wearing pajamas in this. It is so soft and comfy. This is another like running shorts outfit, but I feel like it just looks a little bit more put together, especially if you're doing like business calls or something like that. Like from the top up, you look profesh. From the bottom, you look comfy AF. This is just like an oversized boyfriend shirt from Aritzia. It's silk, it's gorgeous, I love it. But you could also just like take one from your like brother, your boyfriend, or your dad or something like that and pair it with your own bike shorts. I also have under the tank bra underneath, which I think is really comfortable. I think that this look is just so cute for just like those days where you do have to do work, you do have to put yourself together. There you go. Okay, this is the bonus outfit because technically it's sweatpants, but I cut them into shorts. But I'm going to be talking about sweat shorts next, and I just want to show you guys that you basically don't need to go out and buy a pair of sweat shorts if you don't want to. Brandy Melville has these for so expensive, guys, so this is a really good little style hack. But I paired it with the same ribbed tank top from earlier, and I love these like boyish looks. They're so comfortable, so easy, and just really cute. These are technically sweat shorts. I know, does that count as sweatpants? I don't know. I just want to give you guys like another fresh take on something. But these are my sweat shorts from Aritzia. They are very comfortable, and the key is to not get your actual size. Size up, because I find that the leg holes are roomier, the waist is a little roomier, and it still looks just as good because they have a drawstring. The top is thrifted and the shoes are UGG. I actually purchased these in the beginning of my quarantine. My UGG slippers were kind of falling apart. I still have them, but these are really great for when I want to clean, when I feel like I need a little bit more support on my shoe, or when I'm just like cold in general. But yeah, you don't have to get the UGG brand. I'm pretty sure they have these on Amazon as well, but yeah, if you're looking into getting a pair of Uggs, there's like a ton on sale right now. I guess my key for this outfit, much like a lot of the other ones, is really to stick to a color scheme. It just makes you feel that much more put together. If you guys saw my like 3 ways to make your space relaxing video, you guys may notice that I'm wearing like a lot of like monochromatic looks, and it's really what I go to when I work from home. This is probably the outfit you'll most likely see me in most of the time because it's just easy, it's comfy, and it's simple. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. Again, I hope you guys are all staying safe and home if you can. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. And this was a really fun video to do. And if you like what you see, definitely subscribe because I would love to have you. And with that being said, I'm gonna go, but I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone.